Dear students, today we are going to start with the new topic, that is salts, from the acid, bases and salts chapter. So children, what is actually a salt? Salt, it is an ionic compound. It is an ionic compound. Okay. Now this ionic compound will dissociate. It will dissociate and it will yield two types of ion. It will dissociate to yield ions. Actually, it will dissociate to yield ions. Now there are two types of ion that are formed. One is H plus and the other is OH minus ion. As the only this is the positively charged ion and this is your negatively charged ion. Other than H plus and OH minus ion, no other positive or negative ion will be formed. So how a salt is formed? Let us take the example. Say for example, I am having a salt, say common salt, that is NaCl. Now how NaCl is prepared? Okay, now we have acid HCl. It will dissociate to give you H plus plus Cl minus ion. And we have a base, that is NaOH. Now it will dissociate to give you Na plus plus OH minus ion. Now when these two will react, acid plus base, when they react, they produce salt and water. So what they will produce? Salt, NaCl, and the other compound is your water. Are you getting? So on dissociation, ionic compound dissociates and it yields ions. Now what type of ions it will yield? It will yield positively charged H plus ion and negatively charged OH minus ion. Are you getting? Okay. Now how a salt is formed? A salt is formed by the partial replacement. Salt is formed. It is formed by partial or complete replacement. Now what replacement will take place in this? It replaces hydrogen ion. Okay, so partial or complete replacement of the hydrogen ion of an acid. Now who will replace this acid, H plus ion from the acid? By a metallic ion or ammonium ion. Are you getting? That is your basic radical. Ammonium ion is a basic radical. And its formula is what? NH4 plus ion. Yes or no? Are you getting? Now let us see partial and complete replacement. So we have further classification of the salt. We have a classification of salt. In this classification of salt, we have to study three types of salt. That is acid salt, normal salt, and we have to study basic salt. Are you getting? These three types of salts we have to study. Okay. Now the first one is your acid salt. The first type is your acid salt. So how the acid salt is formed? Acid salt contains one hydrogen atom. One hydrogen atom compulsory. Yes or no? Like you have studied NaHCO3, okay, NaHSO3, NaHSO4, okay, this way. So all these are the examples. That means it should contain hydrogen ion. Now how the acid salt is formed? Acid salt is formed by partial replacement. It is formed by the partial replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion. Replaceable H plus ion of an acid molecule by a basic radical. Now this basic radical can be any metallic ion or any ammonium ion. Are you getting? Let us take. Now what is the condition for the preparation? The condition is that in the preparation of acid salt, whenever we will prepare an acid salt, in the preparation of the acid salt, the amount of base taken is insufficient. Are you getting? This is the compulsory part. Amount of the base taken is what? Insufficient. So when the acid will react with base, always the reaction will be neutralization, in which salt and water will be formed. Are you getting? Now let us see. It is formed by the partial replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid molecule from a basic radical. Now whenever a base will be treated, that base should be what? Insufficient in nature. So let us take NaOH, base. Okay. I am treating it with acid. H2SO4 is an acid. Now this H2SO4 contains 2 hydrogen atoms. I can write it as HHSO4 for convenience. Now what will happen? Base and acid will react. Now in this, what will happen? This metal atom of the base will replace 1 hydrogen atom. Yes or no? Because 1 metallic atom can replace 1 hydrogen atom. So now what is the salt form? That is NaHSO4. Are you getting? And the rest, okay, now this sodium has replaced this hydrogen. So this hydrogen will combine with this OH and it will form what? Water. So what is the product form? The product is salt and water. Now this salt contains 1 hydrogen atom in it. Hence this is an acid salt. Are you getting? This is an acid salt. Okay. Now let us take one more example. NaOH again, base. I am treating it with H2SO3. So what it will give me now? Only 1 hydrogen will be replaced. So it will give me NaHSO3 plus H2O. Now this is sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. This is sodium bisulfate. ATE, and this is ITE. So this is an acidic salt. This is an acidic salt. Why? Because 1 hydrogen atom is present. Are you getting? Now when base and acid reacts to produce salt and water, the reaction is called as neutralization reaction. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Are you getting? Are you getting? Now what are the things you need to remember? Acid salt contain 1 replaceable hydrogen atom. It is always formed by the partial replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid molecule by a basic radical. In the preparation, the amount of the base taken is always insufficient and it will undergo neutralization. Now what type of neutralization it will be? It will be incomplete neutralization. Why incomplete? Because only partial replacement of hydrogen has taken. Complete replacement is not taking place here. Are you getting? Another thing is acid salt. Acid salt exhibit all the properties of an acid. It exhibits all properties of an acid. Are you getting? It exhibits all properties of an acid in the solution. So this acid salt contain H plus ion or hydronium ion. That means they will ionize. When this salt will ionize, it will produce H plus ions from it. Yes or no? Okay. Now we have another next one. We have here is normal salt. Okay. We have second one is normal salt. Children. Okay. Now what is a normal salt? Firstly, normal salt does not contain H ion. It does not contain H atom. Are you getting? Okay. Now the second thing is it is formed by complete replacement. It is formed by complete replacement of the replaceable hydrogen ion of an acid molecule, by a basic radical. Now children, here complete replacement will take place. Hence what will happen? The in the preparation of the normal salt, in the preparation of normal salt, excess or sufficient, okay, sufficient or excess of base will be used, of base will be used. This you need to remember. Okay, so here what type of neutralization will take place? Here complete neutralization will take place. Now what is neutralization? Neutralization means acid and base react to give you salt and water. So let us see. 2NaOH will react with H2SO4. So 2 atoms of sodium will replace 2 hydrogen atoms. So it will give you what? Na2SO4 plus H2O, 2H2O. So this is a normal salt. This is a normal salt because it does not has any hydrogen, and complete replacement of hydrogen has taken place from the acid. So metal has completely replaced the hydrogen of the acid. Hence it is a complete neutralization reaction. It does not contain any replaceable hydrogen atom. Now here it does not exhibit properties of acid, properties of an acid in the solution. Are you getting, children? So you can differentiate the acid salt and basic salt, acid salt and normal salts. Okay, so we have some examples of normal salt is NaNO3, NaCl, CH3COO, Na. We have Na2CO3, okay, Na2SO3, Na2SO4, Na3PO4. All these are certain examples of normal salt. Are you getting? Now here in this case you can write down NaHSO3, NaHCO3, NaHSO4, Na2HPO4. All these are the acidic salt because they contain hydrogen. Are you getting? Now let us see the third type of the salt we have here is basic salt. Third one is our basic salt. Now in the basic salt what you need to remember is it is formed by the partial. Basic salt means it should have some base, na? Now what is the basic part in the salt? See, salt contain 2 ions, H plus and OH minus ion. So whenever there will be H plus ion replacement, so what type of salt will be formed? It will form acid salt or it will form normal salt. But whenever OH minus ion will be replaced, then what type of salt will be formed? The salt will be basic. सॉल्ट में 2 आयन है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. पॉजिटिव आयन है H प्लस. सो H प्लस जब भी रिप्लेस होगा तो वो 2 सॉल्ट बनाएगा, एसिड सॉल्ट या नॉर्मल सॉल्ट. लेकिन जब भी OH माइनस आयन रिप्लेस होगा तो वो क्या बनाएगा? बेसिक सॉल्ट बनाएगा. ओके, नाउ हियर what will happen is formed by partial replacement. Here there will be partial. Basic salt will be what? It will be a partial replacement of OH minus ions. Are you getting? So of a diacidic or a triacidic base. Now what type of here base will be? It will be diacidic or triacidic base with an acid radical. So let us take some example. Suppose we have basic copper nitrate. Children, here there is no preparation for this salt. You need to remember as it is. Now this is basic copper nitrate. Basic copper nitrate. This is a salt. Now why basic? Because OH minus ion is present in the salt. Okay, instead of H plus, now OH minus ion is present in the salt, hence it is basic. Okay, and copper nitrate. Okay, another one is basic copper chloride. Okay, basic copper chloride. Now why basic? Because it contains 1 OH minus ion, hence it is a basic salt, and the other one is your copper chloride. I hope that you have understood. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.